Welcome back, traders, to another weekly forex forecast edition on ChartsEmpire Trading Institute, which is for 15th April 2024 to 19th April 2024. In this weekly forex forecast, I will share with you guys my watch list for the next week. I have the British pound sterling paired against the USD. I have Euro paired against USD. I have Australian dollar paired against the USD. I have gold. I have the dollar index, and I have the New Zealand paired against the JPY. Right? Let's get into it right now. Let's start from the British pound sterling paired against the USD. In the last weekly forex forecast I released on this YouTube channel, I discussed or I shared my views on the British pound sterling paired against the USD, right? But right now the sentiment has changed. You can see the bears are currently active in this market. Next week, as a price action trader, it will be nice if we can see a pullback to the key level structure of the 1.25193. If we can see a pullback to this level, then as a price action trader, you should be looking out for a bearish setup signal at this key level structures. Zooming in on this key level structure, you can see this level had been acting as a support for price. That was 11th December 2023. We got it as well on 5th of February 2024. See that? And it almost acted like a support, but price broke out of this level, which means the bulls failed to defend the support. That was on Friday. But this level has been broken up through a decisive bearish candlestick. So next week, I won't be surprised if I can see a strong bearish continuation of downtrend. But before that, it is better you reduce your risk by looking out for a pullback before you look out for a short entry signals based on the bearish swing we had on this day chart, right? That is my view on British pound sterling paired against the USD. Let's check the EURUSD. EURUSD as well. This is what I have on EURUSD. As you can see, we have almost the same pattern on EURUSD and British pound sterling paired against the USD. So this is the day chart of the EURUSD. Next week, as a price action trader, you should be looking out to play this market in a downtrend. We have a series of a key level structure which has been broken up. That was on Friday. You can see that. Next week, as a price action trader, if you are interested in trading this asset, look out for a pullback, a bullish pullback, so that you can reduce your risk and then increase your take profit target. I'll be looking out for a pullback of price to the 1.07245. So these are the key level structures I'm going to be looking out for, right? Check out the key level structure of the 1.10925. We have a major swings high right there, and the key level structure that was broken this week, we are still in the week. The level is 1.06962. So this support level has been broken. It will be better if we can see a pullback next week for the continuation of the downtrend. Next, let's move to the Australian dollar paired against the USD. The Australian dollar paired against the USD is another currency pair you have to watch out for as a trader in the forex market next week. Okay, we can see our price has been struggling to break the key level structure, which acts at the price of the 0.64792. We have price treating this level as a support. That was on the 17th November 2023. We had it as a support as well. That was on the 5th of February 2024. We had it as a support on the 14th of February 2024. As well on the 5th of March 2024. We have it as a support on the 2nd of April 2024. So this is a strong key level structures. Price broke this level on Friday, but it was a strong bearish breakout. All right, it is acceptable. But before you make an entry here next week as a price action trader, I think it's better if you can see a pullback into Friday bearish candlestick before you go short. You tend to reduce your risk and increase your profit ratio. So this is my view on the Australian dollar paired against the USD. Alternatively, next week we might still figure out a surprise in the market whereby the bulls can get in and then still engulf this broken key level structure, such as the example we had right here. You can see that after price broke the support right there, the bulls still came in and then exercised some interest to reverse the market up. So you have to be very careful. So this is why I do like to take my trade based on the close of each daily candlestick. Whatever I'm going to do on this asset, I will always share with traders in my Telegram group. If you are yet to be in my Telegram group, use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram group. This is where I share free trading signals set up with members in my Telegram group, right? Tap on the link to become a member for free today. Next is gold on the day chart. I've been emphasizing on gold for the past weeks now after price broke from the 1st of March 2024. I'm currently looking out for a pullback, and based on the channel I constructed on this day chart, you can see price broke out of this channel, upper band of this channel, and actually the breaking of price right here wasn't a decisive volume. It wasn't a strong bullish bar. Next week I'm looking out for a way to play the reversal of this downtrend. I'm going to be patiently waiting for each daily candlestick of price to see if I can have a strong bearish signal, or maybe the trend still continue in an upward direction. Whatever I'm going to do on this asset next week, I am going to share the setups, the ideas with traders in my Telegram group. Check out the link in the description of this video to become a member of my trading signals community today. If I can see a strong bearish setup, bearish technical signal for a short entry, I will be targeting the next key level structure, which is the 2069 as my key level structure. So that is a broken resistance structure. So let's hope price is going to make a pullback to this level. And then let's check the dollar index. This is the weekly chart of the dollar index. You can see last week the week ensured a strong bullish candlestick, so which means technically next week there's a higher chances that the USD currency pairs are going to still continue in the upward direction based on the strength I can figure out on the dollar index. But anyway, before that, if there should be a pullback of price on the dollar index, then this means United States dollar will be weak, which means on the currency pairs AUDUSD, British pound sterling USD, and Euro USD, like I stated, I said we should look out for a pullback in price. So if you are going to be expecting a pullback, a bullish pullback on AUD, Euro USD, British pound sterling USD, then it means USD has to be weak for a short period of time. So during these times of weakness, we can figure out there's higher possibility there's going to be a pullback on the dollar index. So that is the key idea right there. So if you're a trader in the dollar index, it is better if you can look out for a pullback so that you can reduce your risk, because if you want to get in at the extreme high of the weekly bar right there, it's technically not the best thing to do. And as well, in terms of risk management, it's not the best thing to do. You can see the next key level structure is almost 0.57, which is not reasonable. So if you try to execute a buy limit order whereby you reduce your risk, you can have 2.18. That is if you set your buy limit at the key level structure of the 104.594. So this is my view on the dollar index next week. Let's check on the day chart. You can see on the day chart the market has moved too far. I think it's better if you can figure out a pullback. Although we had a nice entry that was on Wednesday on the 10th of April, which was nice. If you miss that entry, it is better if you can see a pullback of price, right? Alternatively, if price should make a pullback whereby the bulls failed to defend the key level structure of the 104.594, we could see a price rotation all the way to test the rising trend line. But this is not a trend line, this is just a line because we have only 2 points. So it takes 2 points to connect a line, and it takes 3 points to confirm a trend line, right? Next week, anything I'm gonna do, whatever I can see on this asset, I'm gonna share first with traders in my Telegram group, right? Now let's check out the New Zealand pair against the JPY. So this is the daily chart of the New Zealand pair against the JPY. As you can see, this market has been bouncing up and down in a rising channel. And then what I can see right here is I can see a kind of a ranging medium right here. So next week, this asset was one of the assets I analyzed in the previous weekly forex forecast, and I told you there's a tendency for a bullish sentiment right here. This week, if we can see the bear stepping in whereby they pull price all the way down, the rising trend line of this rising channel still has to act as support. In a situation whereby the bulls are unable to defend this channel, and then the key level support we had at the price of the 90 level, then those suggest there's a higher possibility for the bears to pull price all the way down. And if we can see a strong bearish close of price below right here, we still need to look out for a retest before we can anticipate for a downtrend. Whatever I'm going to do on this asset, I'm going to share with traders in my community. If you enjoyed this weekly forex forecast, do give it a thumbs up, share, and then put a comment down any assets you want us to analyze in the next analysis, which I'm going to be holding up. That will be 12 p.m. from Monday to Thursday. So every 12 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I do go live to give daily market analysis. And then if you want more analysis on any type of market you trade, you can just join my Telegram group right now. So looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace.